Listen, man, each and every marketing tool that you can figure, that you can think of, this platform has inside, and it costs you just one fee and you can use everything inside. It's only $30 per month and you get to use everything. Over 20 different tools, for online marketing, online presence. Make sure you guys check it out. You got nothing to lose but gain. Okay, what else you want me to say? What else you want me to say about this, man? This is so easy. Just check the link down below. There's a 7-day free trial. Even if you have no experience online, you can do everything from day one. One platform, which is going to provide you with all the tools. So make sure you check that information in order for you to get to that level, getting money. If you have already been getting money doing online marketing and other things online, at least you can save some money, because this platform costs only $30 a month and it gives you all the tools, but better quality. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you check it out, because you could save at least $3,000 every year on marketing tools. Let me repeat that again. You can save $3,000 on marketing tools if you check this platform and you sign up. Just check the link down below and you could be saving so much every year, every month. You don't have to spend money on funnels. You don't have to spend money on, you don't have to spend too much money on autoresponders. You don't have to spend any money on website builder. Everything, you pay $30 a month and you get everything all together, man. Go check the link down below and you will find out the platform that provides you with all the tools. Maybe people just need to find out about it, and now you are the lucky one who found out about it by me, because of me. So make sure you appreciate that, boy. I'm loving it. I'm loving it.